Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's NET X Glass. Alright, man. What's good with y'all, man? And today, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. Now, today we are on the pair GBP JPY, and as you see, we're trying to get a win on here, man. We in a demand setup right here. So this is a 1 to 2. It almost hit right there, but let's just see if we can hit for it. You know, we always hit the 1 to 2s. If this comes back down to our entry, I'm definitely getting out at break even, because I mean, why not? So, hey man, if you ain't joined the Discord, make sure to join the Discord. Let me show you something. Oh shit, hold on. This is trying to show me something. Hold on, this setup is trying to show me something. Hold on, I got you. Just wait, be patient, and if everything go right, I'm gonna show you something. You feel me? But if not, then nah, bro. I can't even do it. So yeah, man, we on this 3-minute zone. I sent this to the chat. Not sure if this actually gonna play out or not. It's a good setup. I mean, hey, everything is falling into place. All it is now that we in the trade is just for it to happen. That's really all it is. So I'm just hoping. I'm saying we could push up right here. We push down enough. Hopefully we can create a new high right here. And I will look to get out somewhere up around this area. So hey, from what it's looking like, I'm not trying to jinx nothing, I'm not trying to say nothing, I'm not trying to provoke the market and that shit, but hopefully we can continue to go up, because we created this low low on this candle. We pushed down a whole lot. Now we pushing back up. Now that's the thing I like to see. Oh my lord, look at that, beautiful. But hey man, that's the 1 to 2. I'm gonna be consistent with that. I'm content. Content with that. I'm cool. Like I say, man, we try to catch these 1 to 2s every single day, and I try to be consistent with my profits. I'm not gonna lie. And usually, if I'm gonna keep it up with y'all real quick. I know a while, like way before I started like really locking down on my strategy, taking the 1 to 2 really consistently, my wins used to be all over the place. I would have days where I make like a certain amount, like these are my real numbers, but let me just give y'all some examples. So, let's say one day I hit for 300, next day I hit for 100. I'm always inconsistent with holding my. I'm thirsty as hell and I have no water, so please pray for me, because I don't feel like walking upstairs right now. But yeah, like I was saying, my take profit used to be always inconsistent. Some days I hit for this much, some days I do for this much, and like with the 1 to 2, you hit for a certain amount almost every time. Like depending on the time frame, like yeah, on a 5-minute time frame, this may not look clean. This is why I'd like to drop down to the 3-minute, because we can get the same setups, you know what I'm saying? But the same supply and demand setups on a different time frame. Now, you may come to the 5-minute time frame and look like, damn, it wasn't shit today. Cap, bro. Go to the 3-minute time frame. What you see? I see a demand setup. I don't know what the hell you see. You might just see some bullshit, scamming ass scammer. You might look at this video and be like, yo, this nigga's a scammer. There's no way. I don't see that. Well, look again, buddy. I'm not gonna lie to you. All you gotta do is drop down to the 3-minute time frame. The 3-minute time frame be working wonders. Put y'all on. We're just gonna look at these other pairs, see what other possible setups. Yeah, like these are some other possible setups I also had drew up as well. But yeah, man, if y'all want to join the Discord in the chat down below. Look at this. Let's scroll down. We got the winning section, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody eating it, because, it's still early as hell, you know what I'm saying? People still wiping crust out their eyes, breath smelling like shit, and all types of crazy shit, So, hey man, we just on this motherfucker trying to catch it up, and that's what happened. We caught it up, and you know what I'm saying. I slept real good last night. Like I really woke up really feeling good. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, I'm deleting the fuck out of this because I'm not trying to take another setup and then I lose, and then I'll be sad. You know what I'm saying? Because I promise you, if I like one thing I hate doing in the market is definitely fucking losing. But guess what? It's gonna happen any fucking way. So just get used to it, bro. Like losing don't really bother me like that no more. So this is another. I'm gonna just break this shit down. I'm gonna let y'all go. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. If y'all ain't following me on IG, follow me METXRO. Link in the description down below, along with the Discord and all the other stuff. So, basically, I was on a 5-minute and I wasn't really seeing nothing. Like, GJ and UJ was looking like real bullish. And usually, free sauce for y'all, man. If a pair is looking really bullish to me, and I'm on a 5-minute and I'm not seeing any entries, what I usually do is I'll try to go down on the 3-minute. I won't go down to the 1-minute because I'm not a 1-minute warrior. You feel me? I like to go to not the 1-minute, the 3-minute. 3-minute always be smacking shit for me. I ain't gonna lie, because I know if I don't find a 5-minute setup, then I'll look for a 3-minute setup. If I don't find a 5-minute or a 3-minute setup, I'm not trading that day because the 1-minute is not for me. My strategy isn't built off the 1-minute. Maybe it is, but that's just something I just haven't really back tested, and that's not what I built this strategy and practiced it on. You know what I'm saying? So we drop down to the 3-minute. SMA is below on the 3-minute. SMA is below on the 5-minute. SMA is below. You get the point, bro. The SMA, the 200 SMA. I know a lot of people was asking what type of indicators this right here. This is the 200 SMA. And if y'all want the settings, here's the settings right here. It's not really no settings. I just took off. If you could, I don't know. Okay, my camera's in the way. So this will be the 10 SMA, the 100 SMA, the 50 SMA, and the 200 SMA. So the 200 SMA is the very last one. Like I said, we're above the SMA, and I just took the demand, bro. I sent it to the chat, and that's really it right there, man. The 1 to 2 hits. I know a lot of people in the video said last videos like, "Yo, you really strict with the 1 to 2 shit." Hey, man, like I said, when you have a strategy that you gotta know, like I said, I posted on Instagram. You gotta know the what's it called? You gotta know the weaknesses and the strengths of your strategy. Now, the weakness of my strategy, I guess it's not really a weakness because I know how to handle it and I know how to hold my trades and when to take profit. Is I know my strategy. It hits for a 1 to 2. Like I said. Like a lot of people always say, "Dang, yo, TP always getting 2 candles." Now that's my strategy. I know. Like I back tested this strategy a whole lot. I didn't, mix certain things with it, and I know like what candles to look for when I want to enter because I don't like being in trades for a long time. I only like being in trades for like 5 to 10 minutes. And this trade right here, I was only in it for about like 6 minutes because these are 2 3-minute candles. Look at math is on fucking point. Talk to me nice, bro. Talk to me nice, bro. Come on, man. But yeah, like, I just trade simple as fuck, bro. Like, real shit, I just trade simple as shit. This is not hard. I don't got no... I don't need hella shit on my charts. I don't. Like, back then when I first started, I had hella indicators on my chart. I didn't pay for none, but I just had every indicator on my chart. And then TradingView was like, "Yo, my boy, like, what the fuck? Like, you got like 6 indicators. We gonna start charging you if you trying to add another one." I'm like, damn, I got that much indicators on my shit? You feel me? So this shit is just simple, man. Hopefully y'all learned from this video that the 3-minute is powerful. This shit is fire. But yeah. You looking at me like I got some other shit to say when I really don't. I'm not finna just sit up here and just keep rambling about fucking nothing. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I wanna go to bed. I had a dream I'm trying to get back to and I'm trying to finish. And even though I'm probably not finna get back to that bitch, I'm finna try. Like, I'm finna close my eyes and I'm really finna just be like, "Yo, hey God, you know what I'm saying? You try to hook me up with that dream again, you feel me? Lock me back in." Cause that was a fire-ass dream, I woke up good as fuck. So I'm finna try to go back to sleep good as fuck. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all learned something from this video. It's METX looking ass RO. And we gone. Yep, I'm finna go look at Megan Thee Stallion videos. You not looking at it with me. I'm not finna put you on, so you gotta go, bro. You gotta kick rocks or something. But hey, before you leave though, like the video. I'm saying that me up too though.